Did you notice anything common between all the celebs in the last picture? Well, I'll tell you. It's the watch, and it is no ordinary watch. It is one of the most popular and highly rated digital watches of all time. It is the Casio A159. Hi, I'm Siddharth and welcome to Mic Drop. Today's review is about the Casio A159WA. Technically, the twin of the legendary F-91W. This is its metallic version, more suited as a dress watch because of its finish. Priced somewhere around $22 or rupees 2000. It is an inexpensive and durable watch which is almost as popular as its full resin twin. You can check my previous video on the F-91W by clicking on the I button in the top right corner. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button below. It will help me bring more product videos to a wonderful audience like you. Now before I move on to the main review, let me show you the unboxing.
The watch comes in a standard Casio Vintage series box. The box label mentions the India model number D338, MRP of Rs 1995, and of course that it is produced in Japan. Once you slide the top cover and open the box, you will get the first look at the watch. It gives the 80s vintage vibe and has the familiar Casio rectangular display. Also inside the box, you will get a warranty card with a 2-year warranty extendable by 6 months on registration. There is also a comprehensive user manual in different languages to help you learn how to start and operate the watch. Attached to the watch, a tag tells you about the model and the module number. This is the A159WA-N1DF. Now for the wrist shot. You can see that it fits comfortably on my 6.5-inch wrist and looks super cool.
For the layman, let me give you a quick fact check. The A159 and the A158 are the same watch except for the difference in the nomenclature, which is due to the country of origin. The A159s are made in Japan, while the A158s are made in China. And because of the made in Japan tag, the A159 is costlier by 300 rupees. The A159 also has two versions, the W and the WA. The W comes with the deployment style bracelet, while the WA comes with the clasp style bracelet. The A159 also comes in other color variants such as gold and black diamond cut. I personally like the A159WA because of the clasp style bracelet and love the retro style display layout with color text. Next, you may want to know why I didn't go for the more popular and cheaper A158 if they are the same watch. So allow me to explain. I have preferred the A159 mainly because of the made in Japan tag. Because honestly, I associate the made in Japan with higher standard of quality control than made in China. Another reason why I have chosen the A159 over the A158 is the bracelet. As I have heard from many watch lovers that the oyster style bracelet of the A158 with bigger links does cause hair pulling and discomfort, unlike the Jubilee style bracelet of the A159, which is more comfortable. But this is something I can only tell you after I wear both the watches.
At first impression, the A159WA is a very cool looking retro digital watch. The case is made of polished silver resin and the entire dial layout has a lot of text printed on it, like brand name, alarm chrono, WR for water resist, lithium, light, mode, start stop, and water resist. The vintage OG look with the blue accent adds to the retro charm of the A159. Just on looks, this watch is a 10 on 10. Since the theme is metallic, you get ample use of stainless steel. You have the stainless steel bracelet, push buttons, and back cover. Unlike the polished resin case, the stainless steel bracelets come with a brushed finish, and you can see the notable difference between the case and the bracelet. However, the clasp style bracelet is adjustable to suit variety of wrist sizes and is extremely comfortable, making the watch easy to wear all day. And unlike the A158's bracelets, these Jubilee style bracelets with smaller links provide a better hug to your wrist and avoid the hair pulling made infamous by the A158s. The watch is operated by 3 metal pushers, 2 on the left and 1 on the right. The upper left button labeled light can be used to turn on the light, cancel the alarm, reset the stopwatch, and also to mark the lap time. The lower left button labeled mode can be used to cycle through the modes of the watch like time display, alarm, stopwatch, and time and date adjustment. The right button labeled start stop 12 by 24 hour is the function button. It can be used to start and stop stopwatch, change the value of the settings currently being adjusted, or toggle between the 12 and the 24-hour mode, depending on what mode the watch is currently in. Pressing all the 3 buttons at the same time will fill all the cells on the LCD until any button is pressed again. The back case is secured by 4 small screws and some basic details like model and module number and the country of origin are engraved on it. The watch dimensions are lug to lug 38 mm, case width of 34 mm, thickness at 8.5 mm, and a lug width of 18 mm, which means you can shift to 18 mm NATO straps if you're not getting used to the metal bracelet. The watch weighs just 44 grams, and even after a full day's wear, you will not feel its weight on the wrist. The LCD display is similar to the F-91W, except the text here have been shuffled about. The display is bright and clear, easily readable from different angles, even in direct sunlight. The acrylic glass is shatter resistant, but it is not scratch proof, so it will pick up marks over time. But at this price point, that's not a big issue. The watch display shows the day of the week, day of the month, hour, minute, running seconds, and the signs PM in the afternoon or 24H if it is set to the 24-hour clock. You also see the alarm signal status, which are bar of vertical lines, and the hourly signal status, which are shown as a bell and makes the double beep on the hour. And this is visible only when the alarm mode has been activated. In stopwatch mode, minutes, seconds, and the hundredths of a second are shown. The backlight, similar to the F-91W, is a big letdown. The watch uses a green LED light located at the left of the display. Its negligible illumination barely makes the hour column visible in absolute darkness, but with the help of some ambient lighting, you will be able to see the full time clearly. The A159WA uses the Casio 593 quartz movement, and powering this quartz movement is a single CR2016 lithium button cell which typically lasts for 7 years, boasting of an accuracy of plus minus 30 seconds per month. The A159WA has a chronograph featuring precision of 1 by 100 seconds. The chronograph is also able to mark lap times. Other features include an hourly time signal, a single daily alarm lasting approximately 10 seconds, and an annual calendar. The watch does not make allowances for leap years as there is no provision to record the year. Due to this, the month of February is always counted as 28 days. The watch is 30 meters water resist, which means it is suitable for everyday use. It is only splash resistant and not suitable for showering, bathing, swimming and snorkeling. The watch has 4 modes. First is the timekeeping, which displays the hour, minutes, running seconds, day, date and 12 or 24 hour. Second is the alarm. To activate, press the C button. For alarm, signal both on and off. Third is the stopwatch. To use, press the C button to start and stop. Press A button to reset and record lap time. And lastly, the adjust mode to set time and date. Press A button to select parameter and the C button to set the value. There are 3 ways to check the originality of the watch. First, press the right button for a few seconds. If Casio appears on the display, it is genuine. The other way is to press all the buttons simultaneously. If all the cells get filled, it is genuine. The third and the best way is to register your purchase on the Casio website with the serial number given on the watch. Only genuine Casio watches will get registered. Lastly, let me tell you what I liked and disliked about the watch. The likes first. The affordable price tag makes it easy to own. It will not break your bank balance. The size is another plus. It is perfectly proportioned to fit all wrist sizes, even slimmer ones. Then there is the lightweight, which makes it extremely comfortable. You can easily wear it throughout the day. Then there is the 7-year battery life, relieving you of the constant worry of battery change. And finally, I like that the A159WA is made in Japan. And what I disliked? Well, it has got to be the feeble backlight. While it technically works, it barely lights up the hour column. And I'll be nitpicking if I said the watch comes with basic functions and that the resin case is not scratch resistant.
Now to conclude about the A159WA. It is an extremely comfortable watch despite the metal bracelet. In fact, its lightweight will sometimes make you forget that you even have a watch on. As far as the functionality goes, I've been very impressed by the simplicity of the watch, very similar to the F-91W. It is a very user-friendly and hassle-free watch to use. The classic design and the looks are very beautiful, and I can totally understand why so many celebs love it. It is an ideal mix of economy and glamour. Plus, the size is perfect for all wrists, and this is how it sizes up next to the F-91W. So coming to the important question, should you buy one? In one word, Yes, the A159 will be ideal for students, office goers, first-time watch buyers, people on a budget, and true fans of the celeb who wear A158s and A159s. You can easily wear it as a daily use watch or a dress watch for special occasions. But for those of you who are very particular about the backlight, you can check out the Casio A168. For Indian residents, it is available on the Casio India online shop, and viewers outside India can check the official Casio website for the purchase. I will leave the buy link in the description below. With that, I have come to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it comprehensive and useful. And if you like watching product reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about future video uploads. Before you leave, do not forget to comment and let me know what you thought about the Casio A159 and would you still go for the A158 instead. I'm Siddharth and I'll see you next time with another interesting product review. Take care.